I'm Ryan Winslow. I'm a welding and torch cutting instructor for Local 89.
My name is Pablo Medina. I've been working at the San Onofre Nuclear Power Plant doing torch cutting for the last couple years.
My name is Echo Fenner. I'm a laborer's apprentice with Local 89 working at Kiewit Infrastructure.
I've used the Broco torch at the power plant, just cutting through basically anything.
The ease of use, the ease of setup, the quickness, it's a lot more fun than other torches. It's like having fireworks in your hands.
A Broco torch can cut thick metals, stainless, aluminum, nickel.
Stainless steel and cast iron are the two that come to mind. Super thick, hard metals.
At the plant, there's different mixes of materials. It'll be a stainless steel line iron pipe or something. And instead of having to switch or making it difficult, you just cut right through the whole thing.
Carbon steel,
Concrete, if you need to cut concrete, a torch won't really cut through concrete.
rust, paint.
The reason I would pull out a Broco would be easier access, limited access to what we're cutting. It's easier just to haul in the handle with the striker and the sticks than having tanks, oxygen, torches, strikers, and all that other stuff.
It took me 10 minutes to learn how to use it and probably 20 minutes to get comfortable.
The Broco torch in your toolbox is a definite investment.
It cuts through basically anything you need to cut.